Hi everyone, my name is Jarrell Santo Tomas, one of the co-founders of Minplex, and today I am going to show you, actually this is one of the most requested tutorials that I've gotten since I started making tutorials. I'm going to show you how to go and access NFT storage, NFTUP. Um, to a lot of people, this is like the one way to access, or how to upload a lot of files to NFTs.storage, which is the free option that we offer a lot of our users when they upload to IPFS for the first time. All right, so how do you download NFTUP? Well, this is it. I mean, this is as simple as it's going to get. So first off, we're going to go to, and don't worry, I will switch my screen in a sec. We're going to go to NFT storage. NFT.storage is the simple way to go. And as you can see here, um, all you're going to do is go to docs. Okay, so I'm going to assume that you made an account, you logged in for the first time and what it may be. You're just going to go to docs. You're going to scroll all the way down here and upload with NFT up on the left-hand sidebar. And from there, this directory or this docs will detect what operating system that you're using. Right now, they support Windows and Mac. And then so once you go through that, you're going to go and click on Windows. It's going to open this up. You're going to see on the bottom here, which I'll move my head, you're going to see it upload to your obviously your downloads. And then once you press the executable, it's going to do, you're going to go through the entire upload flow or the download flow. And it's just going to look like this. Very, very simple. Yeah, I mean, as you can see here, it's a very, very easy setup. So this specifically has my API token. So if I clear the API token, it will it won't have anywhere to upload this. So let's just go through this one more time. And then I can, we'll upload something arbitrary. So as you can see here, I have a bunch of nice little things. I will upload a metadata folder. And it's going to ask me for an NFT.storage API key, which is really easy to find. So I'm just going to log in here with my GitHub. As you can see here, very, very simple. You can easily just make an account with NFT storage using your GitHub account, and it'll just do a magic link authentication. Very, very simple. But yeah, from there, I have all these different files in here, and you're just going to go to API keys. I will obviously reset my API keys. I'm going to tab out for a second here so you you can't see my API. I don't want you to take my API keys, that's why. I'm going to copy my API key, which will get generated here, and I'll come back and just paste it in, and I will just switch back here. And as you can see, once you paste it in, you're just going to save it, and then now it's just going to upload all 1,717 files. It's just a metadata folder. It's very simple, and then it's just going to have the CID, IPFS URL, and the gateway URL that you can use as part of our flow in the IPFS flow on our metadata. And that's it. So you're going to use this. Actually, you're going to use this one, this CID. If you're going to actually directly edit your JSON file, you'll be using the IPFS URL, but you're not going to. You're just going to use the CID in this case. So you're just going to, click this button here. It's going to copy it to your clipboard, and you'll just paste it in. And that's it. That's how you use NFTUP. It's really, really simple. Like I said, to find your API key, you'll just go here. So once you log in, this will be the screen you'll see. You just go to API keys, generate a new key, and then that's pretty much it. That's it. It's very, very simple. Like I said, you go to docs. So to kind of break down the steps for you, you go to docs, scroll down to upload using NFTUP, download the one that's specific to your operating system, and then paste in your API key, and that's it. Super, super simple. We love NFT.storage. It's one of the easiest and free options that we have for uploading to IPFS. But as always, there's Pinata as well as Filebase as good alternatives to a paid alternative that's a bit more faster and better for something like a music NFT. But anyways, that's it for the tutorial today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment within our YouTube page, just below. Just leave a comment down below, and we'll go and address your questions as we can. Anyways, have a good rest of your day, and have a lovely rest of your year.